Hi guys, welcome back. Let's create this underwater effect in Photoshop where there will be this picture of the tunnel where we are going to cut the ceiling of the tunnel, and then we're going to insert this picture of this swimming lady in the ocean, and then we're going to add some bubble effects to it. So to do this, simply, hold the left click button, head over to polygonal lasso tool, and then afterwards you want to, trim this part just like this so that only this part is trimmed, and then you extend it just like so until this point, and then afterwards delete it just like this, and then make this one appear and then put it under this layer, and then afterwards hold Control T and then resize it so that the girl is situated right here, just like so. Fancy, isn't it? You can even hold the Control key to pan it just a little bit, just like this. Pan it again for the bottom part, just like so. And then you're done, actually. And then let's add some bubble elements. So to do this, make the bubble layer appear, and then afterwards change the blending mode to screen, just like this, and then you can erase some parts of the bubble, just like so. And then Control T, and then you resize it, just like this. So for example, the bubbles are coming out from the ocean, just like this, and then when you're done, hit click here and then Control J to duplicate it, and then you simply just Control J and then put the bubbles like everywhere, and then you want to make sure that it's rightly positioned, just like this. And then we can also erase some part of the bubble, just like so. And then let's add some glowing effect. Click on the plus symbol and then put it here, for example. And then we're going to make some parts brighter. So head over here to the brush, and then simply increase the size, decrease the hardness, then create some glowing effects for the edge of the hold part, just like this. And then change the blending mode to soft light, and then you can erase some parts, just like this. Fancy, isn't it? And then we can add more glow by painting this part. And then you can also paint this part so that the glowing effect becomes more apparent, just like this. And then we can apply soft light again, or overlay if you want to, but up to you, so that we have this glowing look, just like this. And then we're going to make this part of the tunnel glow by painting it with the color of the ocean, which is this one. And then we're going to paint the whole area. Hold on, click on add new layer. Hold on, that's the eraser icon. So use the brush tool, and then simply make some highlights for the road, just like this. Make it much thicker, and then head over here and then change it to soft light, just like this. Erase some parts by making the size of the eraser bigger, just like this. Alright, you can duplicate it, Control J, just like this, and then change the blending mode to, let's say, overlay, and then you decrease the opacity, just like this. Fancy, now you're done creating this underwater effect in Photoshop. Just like this. It's easy, isn't it? Well, it only takes several steps, and now you have this, you know, the color of the, you know, underwater area, which is blue, just like this. It's vivid. Thanks for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.